Under the veil of dawn, Harvard University's gate emerges, draped in ivy and steeped in the echoes of time. As soft piano notes drift through the air, a humble couple approaches, their steps measured with quiet resolve. The couple carries a worn suitcase, their eyes reflecting a blend of hope and trepidation. In the bustling heart of Harvard, they are unseen, their arrival a whisper against the grand backdrop of academia. On a quiet summer morning in 1884, a modestly dressed couple arrived at the gates of Harvard University. Amidst the bustling Harvard University quad, a couple walks unnoticed, their expressions a mix of awe and apprehension. The camera captures their faces, reflecting their wonder as they take in the grandeur of the institution. Their presence remains a stark contrast to the lively academic atmosphere, heightening their sense of isolation. Narrator, VO. No one knew who they were. Narrator, VO. No one came to greet them. They continue their walk, their figures dwarfed by the imposing architecture and the vibrant energy of Harvard. In the sparsely furnished office, sunlight illuminates dust motes. As a couple stands, hope and uncertainty mingling in their eyes. They grip their suitcase tightly, a silent testament to the transformative power held within. Narrator, VO. But what they carried with them would change the course of American education forever. Sunlight streams through the window, illuminating dust dancing in the air. The couple's expressions reflect a blend of anticipation and anxiety as they await their fate. The suitcase, a symbol of change, rests between them, promising a new era for American education. Under the vast sky, an elderly couple stand before the formidable Harvard University office, their simple attire a stark contrast to the grandeur surrounding them. Their worn clothing speaks of a life weathered by time, their faces etched with a shared story of sorrow and unwavering resolve. In a moment of shared anxiety, they tightly hold hands, seeking strength in each other's presence. With hopeful eyes, they look towards the office, their hearts heavy with an unspoken plea. In a hushed tone, they gather their courage and ask, "Can we meet with the president?" Their voices, though quiet, carry the weight of their determination, echoing against the imposing facade. The Harvard president surveys the elderly couple with a look of thinly veiled disdain, their humble attire a stark contrast to his opulent surroundings. The elderly couple stands before the imposing figure of the president, their resolve unwavering despite their evident disappointment. They speak of their son, a former Harvard student, and their wish to honor his memory with a building donation. The president's dismissive words cut through the air. "We cannot put up memorials for every student who dies. Harvard is not a cemetery." The couple absorbs the cruel rejection, their faces etched with a mix of grief and disbelief at the heartless response. Under the vast Palo Alto sky, a new horizon takes shape as Stanford University rises from the earth. Hope and legacy intertwine in the heart of the valley. As the promise of opportunity unfolds, a sign declares the dawn of a new era, as Stanford University takes its place on the world stage. Mr. and Mrs. Leland Stanford stand side by side, their love and loss transformed into a lasting monument of learning and inspiration. A university campus is a diverse environment where students from various backgrounds converge. Individual appearance and style reflect the unique identities of students. The campus environment fosters a sense of community among students with varied characteristics. Historical judgments were sometimes influenced by superficial appearances. Underestimation based on appearance can lead to missed opportunities and flawed decisions. Appearance-based judgments often overlook intrinsic qualities and potential. Respect is best earned through one's character rather than outward appearance. Internal qualities are the true measure of a person's value and potential impact. Focusing on inner qualities fosters genuine respect and lasting relationships. A blank canvas of purest white dominates the screen, an infinite expanse of potential. From the void, the words, "Everyone you meet," begin to materialize, faint at first, then growing bolder. The phrase hangs in the air, a silent promise, a question posed to the unseen audience. The words begin to glow subtly, drawing the viewer into the unfolding narrative. The screen pulsates gently, a visual heartbeat signaling the start of a journey. Against the stark white canvas, a profound message begins to emerge. The initial line appears, a whisper of potential against the void. As the message completes itself, the words shimmer with newfound hope. illuminated by the promise of dreams. The gentle caress of piano chords begins, a subtle reminder of the delicate balance between dreams and reality. The screen is stark white, an empty canvas filled with silence. A channel logo appears softly, a subtle reminder of the story's origin. If this story moved you, share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more true stories that inspire change.